Dr. Mohammed Burai, Associate Professor of Mechanical Engineering in the Mechanical Engineering Department and the Thermofluids Research Track Leader at the Smart Engineering Systems Research Center at Nile University. With relation to the green engineering, it's highly related to the climate change for two reasons. Climate change is caused mainly by two problems: depletion of fuel and material, and the carbon footprint of different processes. For example, in any industrial process, you are using raw material to produce your final product. And using the raw material is by itself a problem because you are depleting the resources, and the processing itself, it takes so much energy, and this energy comes with a carbon footprint. So if you manage to reduce the amount of material you are using, or if you manage to recycle part of the material you have been using before, this will have two positive effects: reducing the material consumption and reducing the carbon footprint of your process. I think this will have like a major impact on the job market and the qualifications of the people who want to enroll in these type of jobs. First, you will have an extra dimension to the technical and economic feasibility studies. You will have the environmental footprint side, and I think this will be a major study that needs to be done for any project in advance, in addition to the economic and the technical study, that you have to assess your environmental impact on the environment, whether it's by assessing how much material you are using, how much energy you are wasting, and how much carbon you are producing. There are a few more skills that students need to have before enrolling in this type of jobs. First, they have to have a clear idea of what it means to have a climate change, how to work together to reduce the speed by which we are deteriorating our environment. Third, you have to know what does it mean to have an assessment of your carbon footprint. This is a very major concern, and this is a very major step in any future project. One of the projects we are working on right now is Dr. Irene from Industrial Engineering and Dr. Ola from the Atomic Nuclear Energy Authority, is that we are working on a project to recycle the use of plastic and electronic waste and use it as thermal insulators. First, if you are recycling a material, it means that you are reducing the amount of raw material you are using. This will have a positive effect of reducing the depletion of the material. Second, it will have a much less energy requirement in terms of processing. Third, it decreases the risk, environmental risk, by reducing the amount of dumped waste. Third, it reduces the footprint by using a recycled material instead of using a new material with the associated finger carbon footprint. I think the most important thing right now for the students is to get themselves familiar with the policies, whether it's national or international policies regarding the environmental assessment of projects. Second, one more project idea that students should be working is recycling. We should be trying to recycle as much as possible of our waste. The third thing is energy conservation. We have to think of every single means we can do to reduce the amount of energy consumption in whatever applications we are using.